Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching this video with us. In this video, I talk about how I started a lockdown delivery kitchen during this lockdown, what made me start it, what were the hardships that I faced and how was it received during the lockdown, how I'm still continuing with it, where it's reached. I talk about all of this in this video and more. So do watch it, let me know what you think, let me know your feedback, and I'll keep sharing all of these videos and more with you. Sometimes have to just go and start something and not wait for the right time because and not to underestimate oneself, because you never know what the potential and capability is if you don't try it. If you just keep thinking and devising a plan, it might be a good plan, but if you've not executed it, then there's no point to it. My name is Jasleen Marwa and I'm now known as a Kashmiri home chef. For the past 4 years, I've started cooking and connecting people with this cuisine that is known to be very unique. I had pop-ups at home, and so I would host people, a bunch of say 8 to 10 people, how many ever would fit into my house. I would create a meal for them which would showcase the Kashmiri cuisine through a conversation, taking them through the dishes, what goes into it, how it's made back at home, what is the difference, why the mustard oil, what are the basic spices. So it's a conversation around food and with people who enjoy that food. This year, it started with a big Kashmiri food festival in Navi Mumbai. That happened in January. I also got a chance to cook for Veer Das for a show on Netflix's Menu Place. I think after that is when lockdown happened, right? March. So we all had to devise new ideas, come up with new things as to now what. So I thought, let me try and take out a menu and see what happens. So I took out a menu of Rogan Josh and Keema for a weekend. I took out the menu on Monday. The order closes on Thursday. Every detail was on that, and I very surprisingly it was taken very well, and I think I got I had to close the orders by Wednesday itself. So when I started these deliveries, with vegetarian dishes, it's very easy to churn out a proportion. But with non-veg, I was struggling. That I was not sending out just bones in one. I was not sending out just curry in one. So to kind of reduce that stress, I devised another plan wherein I put out a menu which was kg wise, which meant that people could order either for half a kg or a kg, which meant that the amount of meat I got, I would cook and I would send the same proportion out. So it's always been a very difficult question to answer कि ये कितने लोगों को पूरा हो जाएगा. So I think to stop that question for coming, I kind of only the non-veg dishes I started sending out kilo wise. So now I'm actually delivering to people from Navi Mumbai, to town, Worli, and places I've not even been to, like so many places that I didn't even know were there, a part of Bombay. Its food is traveling really all over, literally all over. And the response was very nice because they were like, it's so easy to eat it. It's not like a restaurant. So it's light and yet flavorful, and it's different and it's unique. And they were happy that they got a chance to eat. And that made me realize I could have also done it earlier. But I guess this was the right time because there was a market for it. Earlier, they were, it would have been just another one cuisine in a, playground of so many restaurants. So this kind of showcased and highlighted my food because lockdown kind of highlighted those home kitchens more. So it was easier for me to reach out to people also. I'm definitely enjoying this, doing different things on different weekends, but I also maybe want to take it forward to next step. Like I said, because of the learning, because I learned that it is important to take the first plunge. So I think I want to take the second plunge also now and make it slightly bigger. So I'm hoping and devising what is my next step. That's kind of started to cook also. And hopefully I'll not think too much on it also and jump right into it. So I'm hoping I'll do that now. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and got an insight into what my delivery kitchen is all about. Again, let me know what you think. If you liked the video, do press the like button, do subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos, and thank you once more for watching it. Bye bye.